Hey everyone, I just want to start with, I am filming this in the early evening of Tuesday, November 5th. This is airing on Thursday, November 7th. So I have no idea what's happened between when I'm filming this and as you're viewing this, but it doesn't matter because whether you're red or blue, today I'm blue and yellow because it's all about Walmart. It's a big Walmart haul. I have over 20 pieces to share with you. We're gonna start casual. We're gonna end kind of fancy. So I have everything from everyday fall, early winter looks, coats, loungewear, all the way to if you have somewhere really cool to go, say for New Year's Eve. I do not, but if you do, I've got you covered. I'll have all the sizing, prices, everything on the screen, down in the description box, pinned to the top of the comments. And if you want to use the YouTube shopping feature, there's also that little icon that says show more or shop products, little shopping bag somewhere on the screen. A lot of you have figured it out, and I love that we have the options. Okay, I'll have all the outfits numbered. It'll be somewhere up on the screen. If it sounds like I am very excited, I am. If it sounds like I'm talking quickly, it is because I have not adjusted to the lack of daylight savings time, and we are racing against the sun. I wanted to film all of this in natural sunlight. So here we go. Here's hoping the sun stays up for just long enough. Outfit number 1. This is the most casual option, and this is the latest offering from Scoop in their Scuba knit line. I love this line. They release it, I buy it. These joggers, I believe, have existed. In fact, I'm almost 100% sure. Breathe. We all have to take a breath. I need to take a breath. Okay. They've shared Scuba knit joggers before. I have several pairs. I believe these are a newer option in the cargo pant version. I have them in the mushroom color, which is also a repeat from last year, but definitely brand new is this longer line jacket that I am wearing as a top. So I'm wearing this as a set. This is not a set. These are 2 individual pieces. I love the jacket. It has features that make it look way more expensive than it is. It has the double zipper, which means you can zip it all the way up to the top. And then if you want to have a little more of a custom fit around the hips, you can unzip it a little bit from the bottom. Of course, you could wear this open over, say, a more fitted tank or tee underneath, but I love this kind of loungewear set look to it. Great for travel, but more importantly this time of year, great for just wearing around the house, chilling. If you have to run a few errands, throw on some coordinating sneakers and you're good to go. Now we are into sweater season, so I have a few sweaters to share with you. So outfit number 2 is a Fair Isle turtleneck sweater. I love it in the blue. It has some really pretty colors across the bodice that are not so traditional Fair Isle colors. If you look carefully, the pink that's running across is a metallic pink, so pretty. Also comes where the main color is green or gray, and then the colors coordinate slightly differently. It is not scratchy on the skin. Sometimes you look at this and you think, ooh, that's gonna itch. It doesn't. The turtleneck is not too restrictive. I think it's just absolutely beautiful. And then I decided to pair it with these green corduroy pants that you've seen before. They're not from Walmart. They're actually from Avara. I will just tell you on these green corduroy pants, they also come in brown. They run big and the corduroy fabric is a little bit bulky. I ordered them in my true waist size. My true waist is a 26. Easily could have gone down to the 25 just to have a little more fit and a little less bulk to the fabric. I also picked up quite a few new pairs of shoes from a brand called Lifestride, and the shoes I'm wearing are part of that. So if you want all the details of all the outfits, the tops, the bottoms, the shoes, everything is listed down in all the places I mentioned at the beginning of the video. For outfit number 3, I have another Fair Isle option, and actually this green color combo can be found in the solid turtleneck sweater I just shared with you. This is a cardigan option, and it also comes in the blue and it also comes in the gray. And I should say that the sizing range on these sweaters goes from extra small to 4X. So I love the inclusivity of all of the sizes. The green version has a metallic silver running through it, and the buttons on this I think are absolutely stunning. They're more of a matte with a little bit of beading around the edge. It just really looks expensive, that extra little detail. I should mention that this cardigan does not have pockets. I'm wearing it as a sweater all buttoned up, but you could absolutely wear it unbuttoned, more of a traditional open cardigan look. Now let's talk about the pants. I am really into corduroy this season. I'm just warning you, you're gonna see a lot of corduroy and velvet from now on. I love this as an alternative to jeans. They're still really soft. They're honestly probably more comfortable than jeans, but they look a little bit more polished. These are more of a mid-rise, wide leg, and they do run, I'd say, pretty roomy. So if you're in doubt, size down 1. They come in navy and black as well, and they have a 31-inch inseam. So I need to wear these with just a little bit of a heel. In fact, such a little bit that I am wearing it in a kitten heel, and these are part of that new shoe haul I was talking about. Outfit number 4 is another sweater and another pair of corduroy pants. So let's start with the sweater. It's more of a boxy fit. What's nice is that the actual knit is more fine gauge, so it's not a bulky boxy fit. That's not necessarily a great look, but I like that the turtleneck is really, really thin in the material. I'm very sensitive to tightness around my neck, so I like that this has a little more give to it. It's a viscose blend, so it's a little more fluid and flowy. This comes in navy, black, and cream as well, but I love a pop of red, especially for the holiday season, and I would say it runs true to size. Now, these corduroy pants are very different from the ones you just saw. I think they're called the whales. Like the ribbing on it is much thicker. It's a little bit heavier. The previous pair are much more, they're almost like a velvet. They're that fine. So this is more of the traditional corduroy, I would say. And this one runs much bigger. So again, on this one, if you have the option of sizing down, I highly recommend doing so. They also come in black and cream. And there's 2 inseams available on the website, 28-inch or 30-inch. And I'm pretty sure I'm wearing the 28-inch only because I'm wearing flats with this. And I feel like a 30-inch inseam, I would have to wear heels. I looked at my order and it doesn't say, and I looked at the tag and it doesn't say, but knowing my height. Anyway, think of gray as the ultimate neutral. It's gonna go with every color that you can think of. For outfit number 5, it's the same pair of corduroy pants, and I just went with the low-hanging fruit, gray and black and cream, all the neutrals, all at once is what I did here. They're calling this a matte chenille pullover. I'm not sure what's matte about it, but I can tell you it definitely feels like chenille. It's a very cozy, cuddly sweater, again, without being bulky. Sizing on this is extra small through 4X. I'm wearing it in the extra small. It comes in another stripe color pattern, and then I believe 3 other solid options. This is a solid go-to wardrobe piece for under $15. I would say if you can, grab them in all the colors. You're gonna just rotate through them all season long. And I wanna give a shout out to my black ankle kitten heel boots. I love these so much. I ordered a second pair that are on their way in brown. Now these are not from Walmart. They are Franco Sardo. If you remember my absolute obsession with the pointed toe kind of black heel slingback shoe from October and November in the brown, this is the same brand. I am in love with this brand. So you're seeing them in the black, and then I ordered them again. They should be coming actually the day you're watching this in a rich brown. And what I love about them, it's a kitten heel, so they're super easy to walk around in, and it's a taller shaft up on the ankle. So if you're wearing crop jeans, crop pants, and you want the boot to go up under it a little bit, which you do, these are the perfect height. For outfit number 6, we have a lot to talk about. I have a sweater, I've got the jeans, I've got some cool shoes, and then a coat. So let's start with the coat, because that is the obvious thing that you're seeing right now. This is a faux wool, oversized double-breasted coat. I decided to go with the navy. It does come in a tan and a light blue. I don't have a navy coat. Well, I do now. Didn't have a navy coat. I know a lot of people think that a big, long wool or faux wool overcoat like this should be reserved for more dressed up outfits. No. You need to pull this out for all the things. Of course, it's great to have in the holiday season, especially if you're dressing up more. But if you add a longer overcoat to any casual outfit, it instantly sort of ups your game. I love this in a navy and I love this in a tan. I think you're gonna get a lot more wear out of those 2 colors than if you choose the light blue. Think about just a basic white or cream sweater or top, a pair of jeans and sneakers. You throw that wool overcoat on. It's just an instant layer of sophistication. It also happens to be warm. It's lined and it fits beautifully. Just a reminder, there's a vent up the back that comes sewn. Do not leave it like that. Take a little scissors, open that back vent up. Now let's talk about what's underneath it. So this is a waffle weave sweater that they released last year and I bought in 2 colors. They've re-released it in multiple colors. It's a basic. If you can pick them up in as many colors as are available in your size, I recommend it. It's just a basic outfit builder that you will go to over and over and over again. You will not be disappointed in them. And then the rolled cuff jeans, these are actually from Maurice's. And I love that they're a more more heavy premium denim type feel to them. They have some weight to them. And so to tie all that together with the big oversized jacket and sort of the chunkier kind of look to the sweater and the weight of the jeans, I want to balance that all out with something that is a little heavier on the foot. I mean, not literally heavy. These are very comfortable. These are new ankle boots. They're faux suede. It's more of a lug sole. So great in wet weather, but also it sort of balances all those heavy pieces together and makes the look a little more cohesive. For outfit number 7, same pair of jeans, so we don't need to talk about those. This is a very similar sweater to a few others I have shared with you from Time and True already in this video. This is a Chenille pullover style. It also comes in a black and white stripe and 4 other solid colors. I love the beige and cream together. It's just a nice way to tie in 2 neutral colors. I tied in those beiges with the beige kitten heels again, so that's all connected. And I added another layer of beige. And if there was one piece here that I'm super excited about, it's probably this faux fur oversized teddy moto jacket. The details on this, if you had shown me this jacket and told me this is a $200 jacket, I would have completely believed you. It is $54, runs true to size. It has little details like it's all faux, like faux leather, buckle along the collar, along the hemline, the little stitching details on the sleeves. It's beautiful. It's super cozy. It's really warm. So if you live somewhere that doesn't get too cold like Texas, this is easily your winter jacket. You need to grab this. I believe it comes in another color, but I love the cream. Outfit number 8 could go a little boho. It could go Western. It really depends on which color sweater you pick and how you pair it. So I went with black and decided to pull in more of I feel like a Western feel, because the lug sole boots feel a little bit more Western, and I love pairing a rich brown accessory with black like I did here. These jeans are not from Walmart. They are from Avara. I've shared them year over year. They are a bestseller every year. They are back. They are fully stocked. These are probably one of my top 5 most worn pair of jeans. I love the fringe on this. This sweater reminds me of something you'd find at Free People or Anthropologie. It is $26, so it is clearly not from either of those places. It also comes in a tan and an ecru, and it was hard to decide between the tan and the black. Ultimately, I went with the black. If you want this to look a little more boho, maybe you go with clogs or mules and go in that direction. Or if you want to fully embrace the Western, throw on some bootcut jeans and some cowboy boots. It's a really versatile piece, and I love the price point, and I love everything about the sweater, how it feels, how it looks. I'm gonna stop now and get on to outfit number 9. So now we're moving into the dressier part of this video. So if you're a casual girl, I hope you stick around. And if you've been waiting for the dressier up part, here we are. So outfit number 9, it's my blue velvet period. So I actually shared these blue velvet pants with you earlier. I ended up returning those and getting the next size down, and it's a much better fit. I want you to think of velvet as just a nicer version of corduroy or a different version of corduroy. Don't save velvet for just dress up occasions. Yes, I paired this all together as a dressier option, but I would easily wear this blazer with jeans, these pants with a sweater. Have fun with your clothes. But together, isn't this beautiful? If you happen to be celebrating Hanukkah this year, or you are attending a more wintry event, I love the deep blue. I think this is beautiful. I love the contrasting fabric trim on the blazer. This is also available in black. I have a feeling if it's not already sold out, this is gonna sell out pretty quickly. Both pieces, I would say they run true to size, and I just paired it with a fitted sort of microfiber tank just to kind of pull it all together. Outfit number 10 is for all of you who've been asking me to show an outfit wearing hose. Here you go, this outfit and the next one, wearing the same pair of pantyhose that happened to be from Walmart, and that was not planned. It's just what I had in my drawer. So let's talk about this outfit that I think is perfect for Thanksgiving if you need to get dressed up for Thanksgiving dinner. This is a blouse or a top that comes with its own pearl necklace built in. Those pearls are sewn onto the neckline. They go all the way around. The shirt actually fastens at the back with a little button. Puff sleeves, a little bit of mixed media. The sleeves are more of a basic cotton. It's 100% cotton, the whole shirt, but it feels like more cotton poplin on the puff sleeves, more like a more knit style on the bodice. And I just tucked it into this jacquard skirt. I think that's how you say it. Let's pretend that I steamed it. Let's pretend that I saw that it was wrinkled and I steamed it. The skirt is fully lined. It has pockets. has a flat front and then an elastic waist. It's roomy, so if you're not sure, I would size down on this one as well. It also comes in black on black, but I love the green. I think it is so beautiful, and you do not need to wear this jacquard skirt with that particular blouse. The blouse will look great with a pair of jeans, honestly. That would be a fun little date night look. And I could see just a basic black sweater, or I believe there's a matching top for the skirt as well, but you can have a lot of fun with both pieces. This outfit, I know they're showing this for holiday. Outfit number 11 is a tuxedo jumpsuit, so I'm thinking New Year's Eve fancy dress party. But how about a wedding, year-round actually wedding, because it's sleeveless, that you wanna obviously get more dressed up for, but you don't wanna wear a dress? Here you go. This is a beautiful tuxedo jumpsuit. It has all the tuxedo details, the notched lapel and the contrasting trim. It's a double-breasted look. It really functions almost as two pieces. The top has all those buttons are functional and need to be buttoned to keep it just right. And then the bottoms have a hook and eye closure and a zipper, but it is just one piece. I think this would look beautiful with some sort of silver or crystal belt around it if you wanted to add something to the waist, or maybe like a really thin black patent leather belt would look beautiful. You could dress this up more with, say, silver heels or some kind of open-toed strappy sandals. I actually needed a pedicure, so I'm sparing you from seeing my toes. I decided to add a little punch to it with this silver sequin blazer. This is from Amazon. I wore it to an event in Las Vegas, perfect for Vegas weekend. This is gonna be a great outfit, of course, for New Year's Eve, but I wouldn't pigeonhole it as just a New Year's Eve outfit. I can see this as a dressy outfit all year round. Okay, clearly we are losing the light, so I'm gonna talk even faster now. So outfit number 12 is a no buy. Do not recommend. 0 out of 10 stars, but I want to show you the stuff that doesn't work. So this is a sparkle tank and pants set, and it might look pretty good on camera. It might film okay, but in real life, it looks like something that you would expect to buy from Walmart. Do you know where I'm going with this? Like, part of the appeal, part of the major appeal to me for Walmart fashion in the last, I'd say 3 to 4 years, is that none of it looks like it comes from Walmart. The people who know, wow, you got that at Walmart. I know you got that at Walmart. But most people are like, did you get that from Nordstrom? Where did you get that at Free People, Anthro? You're like, nope, Walmart. This outfit, people are like, did you get that at Walmart? And you're gonna be like, yeah, I did. It's just the fabric is cheap. It feels and looks kind of tacky in real life. I don't know how to be nice about it, so I'm not going to be. I do not recommend this set. I will leave it linked because maybe you need it for a costume party. I would recommend it for that. It feels like Halloween costume fabric. It's a no. What I do love, however, is the sequin bomber jacket. I think that is fantastic. I think it is so fun. That's a lot of sparkle happening. How I should have shown you this jacket is over a white tee and a pair of jeans. That would have been perfect. If you love that silver sequin look, there is also a matching midi skirt for like a whole look, and I will link that under outfit number 12. Okay, before the sun sets on this video, literally, let's end with lucky outfit number 13, and this is a close second. This skirt, first of all, when you wear this skirt, people will know when you're coming and when you're going because it makes a little noise. All those sequins kind of rustle. They're called petite, I believe is how you pronounce it, sequins. There is a matching tank. I did not buy the tank. I'm regretting that. But at the same time, I think part of the appeal of the skirt is that it's not head to toe sequins. I like that I paired it with a basic black, in this case, kind of knit slouchy neck sweater. I think it looks so kind of like subtle and sexy from the top, and then all of a sudden, boom, you've got this sort of pencil skirt with the slit up the slide and all of those beautiful, not quite greenish black sequins. I love it. It has a hook and eye closure and a zip up the side. I just was pleasantly surprised and so excited to have saved what I think is the best for last. Obviously, this would be fantastic for any dressier holiday party that you might have. But again, pull this out for a wedding. Pull this out for some fun event that you have. Pull it out for date night. Heck, wear it on the couch and watch a good Christmas movie, but it is comfortable to sit in. I know you're gonna ask, how do you sit in that? You just sit. The sequins lay flat. It is so much fun. What is not fun is that it is getting dark at 5:15. I'm not okay with this, so I'm gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna remind you all the information, like I said, is in the description box. I put it on the screen. I pinned it to the top of the comments. It's also in the YouTube shopping tag. If I forgot something or you need more info, please do not hesitate. Hit me up in the comments. I read them all. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Enjoy the daylight while you have it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.